Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and of course today we have a cumulative update for one version of Windows 10 only, the October 2018 update. If you're on the October 2018 update, that is version 1809 that was released last year, you have a cumulative update that appeared late yesterday and is rolling out also today to those of you on that version of Windows. So what does it do? Well, it's a bug fixes update. So lots of bug fixing. When we had updates last week, there were updates for all versions 1703, 1709, 1803. But 1809 did not have an update. So when I look at the list of fixes that there are now, this version 1809 is probably, probably had little things that they had to tweak because it contains roughly the same type of fixes. So with probably a few changes, but for the most part, it's the same type of updates. So it's an optional update. That means if you're on the October 2018 update and it works fine and you got no problems, you don't have to install it. It will eventually be installed when you get the next patch Tuesday in August. But for the most part, this will, doesn't do anything special if your version of Windows 10 works well. But if you have some problems with version 1809, here's the interesting part probably, because it contains a lot of bug fixes, and I mean a really big list of it. So hopefully that could fix some of the issues that you might have on that version of Windows 10. All the other versions of Windows 10 do not have any updates, so don't look for updates if you're not on version 1809. So hopefully that will fix problems if you've got some, and if not, well, it stays in the separate download and install, so it doesn't install unless you click to download and install it. It's really a optional update for Windows 10 if everything is all right. Like I said, don't install it. You don't have to. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.